Hello guys, this is Nikhil Bansal from Illuminate Minds. So these are certain TCS NQT previous year questions that we are going to do. In this series, we are going to cover all the TCS NQT previous year coding questions. So this is one question. I'm starting with an easy question. This question says that the name of the program was oddly even. So what we need to do over here is that if the input is a 100-digit number, it can be a maximum 100-digit number, as you can see over here, right? The maximum can be a 100-digit number. What we need to do is, if the input given is 4 5 6 7, let's say, then what we need to come out with is the expected output, that should be 2. And how we'll come out with that? We need to add all the odd position digits. All odd position digits means, if you look at this, 4 and 6 are the odd position digits, the sum of which is 10, right? And if you look at the even position digits, 5 and 7, their sum is 12, correct? So the difference is 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So this digit can be a 5-digit number, it can be a 6-digit number, or it can be a 100-digit number also. So we need to be ready for all of them. I hope it should be okay. How we are going to do that? We will take by default input as a string, and then we'll take the length of the string, and we'll run an iteration which will cover from 0 to the length of the string. And if it is, if we, what we'll do, if I percentage 2, that the remainder is 0, that means it's an even place, else it's an odd place. And we will go through the entire string and add the numbers as an integer, and then we'll subtract the integer sum and odd sum to reach to the final answer. So let's start with the code straight off. So let's start writing the code for this one. So I will name this program as oddly even, as it was written in the question, correct? Now I will take an input. Now this time I will not take the input as an integer. I will take the input as string. So by default I'm taking num1 or num, let's say, as input. So enter the number, correct? Now what next? Next I will create two counters. One is esum for even and osum for odd. Correct. That will store the even sum and the odd digit sum over here. Now next I will run a loop for I in range, correct, from 0 to length of the string that I have got. So that is num. So this is my for loop. Now I will divide I by 2. I will try to divide I by 2 if I by 2 gives me remainder 0, right? That means it's an even digit thing. Then I will add esum equal to esum plus the, but I will not add a string, I will add an integer. So what I will do, I will convert that string part into an integer part by appending, let's say, by writing int over here, correct? So this will become integer and the sum will be added over here. Else, obviously, it's an odd digit. In case of odd, I will write osum is equal to osum plus the same thing. Alright, so I've got two sums. It seems to be pretty simple one. Alright, so I've got two sums and I've gone through the entire loop. Now what next? Nothing. Now I need to print, but I will not print. So which one will I subtract? So obviously I don't know the input. So I need to be aware about that. So I need to take care of int abs. Abs will give me the absolute value, irrespective of which sum is bigger or which sum is smaller. Correct. What do you say, guys? I think we have not done any error. Let's try. So enter the number. I will input 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's see. Okay, let's try it once more. I need to put one over here. And let's try it another number. So this time 2, 6, 4, 8, 9. If I do this, what will happen? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 and 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9. It's perfectly okay. Let's try it one more time. So let's 8, 9, 7. I'm taking an odd number of digits, and let's do it for this one also. So 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 7 is 18, and 18, 4 plus 9 is 13. So it's perfectly fine. So that's it, guys. Thank you.